With regards to picking the best smart fridges for your home, things can get somewhat entangled. This is on the grounds that there are numerous smart fridges, each with its outstanding features, advantages, and disadvantage. For this reason, we've researched and reviewed all the best smart fridges you can find in the market today. Number 3. Samsung RF28JBEDBSG. In the event that you have various children in a riotous calendar, the Samsung RF29JBEDBSG might be the correct decision for you. This Samsung Food Showcase fridge gives simple access to in-a-hurry things that can be sorted out by nourishment type or by a relative. With Food Showcase, the outside grandstand gives you moment access to beverages and toppings, while the inner case gives you a chance to store enormous, crisp nourishment things. Number 2. LG LFXS 30766S. The exact opposite thing a genuine culinary specialist needs to stress over is a flawed refrigerator trading off the nature of their food. That is the place LG's LFXS 30766S French door refrigerator comes in. LG has coordinated its smart cooling plus innovation to help keep up wanted conditions inside the freezer, using a direct blower and double evaporators, just as deliberately set vents that guarantee cool air course into each inch. The icebox suitably responds to changing humidity and temperature levels. Number 1. GE Café. Guardians will join behind GE's Café French door refrigerator as it's a genuine distinct advantage. Frequently when Guardians get up toward the beginning of the day, coffee is the principal thing at the forefront of their thoughts, so GE fabricated a Keurig single teach brewer a thing or two into their fridge. On the off chance that mornings start with tea rather, no stresses. GE included a boiling water distributor with temperature choice.